Hi, good morning. It's day 4 post-op of my right shoulder rotator cuff repair and biceps repair. I am hurting more today. I think my anesthesia, all my regional, have completely worn off, and I have complete movement, no pins and needles on my right hand. I could feel where the arthroscopic site, where they operated and worked on my shoulder. I could really feel some tenderness and some discomfort, some tightness. I have been taking my naproxen 500 milligrams twice a day, and in between I would try to do Tylenol in between instead of the OxyContin, because during the day when I tried it, it made me very nauseated and kind of lightheaded and dizzy. I had to lay down and rest. But at night, if I take it, I'm okay. I don't feel those side effects because I'm already in bed, and so it's not so evident, those lightheadedness. I just go to sleep. I will ice it more today. They didn't want me to do any movement here, but I feel like I should, like a soft stretching, or just even to hang it on my side and stuff like that. But tomorrow I will call them and also ask about that little surgical wound, but it kind of has gone away, so maybe there's nothing to it, but just in case, I would have them check it. Wednesday I will start my my therapy, my physical therapy, and I really feel it right here. Last night, this area right here, the muscle, is giving me like little tightness and some aching kind of pain, about maybe 4 out of 10. So, but I've been icing it, so that helped. And then this morning when I woke up, this is a wedge. This is an abductor sling. So there is a wedge pillow here to keep this area at least 20 degrees out of my body. They want it a little away. And this morning when I woke up, my rib cage, it was painful right here, like the pressure from the pillow, from sleeping and doing that, it's kind of sore, my rib cage right here. I'm like, oh my God, I have a new pain because of this wedge pillow. But I have since taken my naproxen, and it's kind of gone away, thank God. I was having some sniffles this morning, some allergies, sneezing, and those kind of things. And I'm like, okay, I just had my flu shot. I better not develop any upper respiratory infection. I just had it about 3 weeks ago. But now it's all gone. It was just maybe the change of weather. It's really getting cold. It's fall season now. So it's changing. So it is affecting. It affects me when that happens. So even with or without surgery. What else? I ate good. GI is good. Gastrointestinal is good. No nausea, vomiting, and regular. The Neurolax works. Because we don't want to be constipated. Anyway, TMI. But I am getting really anxious on what to do here because they told me don't do anything. But I feel like I should at least, like stretch or do some passive motion on my elbow. I didn't have any surgery on my elbow, and I don't want to have a frozen elbow or a frozen shoulder. So that was my main concern. I will plan to finally have the shower tomorrow after I clear this up with my doctor. Make sure that I can get it wet, because they don't want it to get wet after X amount of days, actually 3 days. So just want to make sure that it's okay, that there's no adhesions there, and that the suture line is intact and no infection. So the tenderness has kind of gone away from what I was feeling. So it could be just because it's still kind of fresh. The incision is still it's still new. So I hope it is healing toward, because I don't want to have any infection. Today I will go to church. My sister's going to drive me. So that's the plan. And so I better take my ice pack and my heat pack, alternate them, get this ready. It'll take me about an hour, to get ready. So, and I will just update for anything tonight. Hi, it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and my pain level was going up. I took the naproxen 500 milligrams this morning, and I've been icing this for 20 minutes on and off. And the pain level was creeping up, and it's a sharp pain right on my shoulder. So I had to take the bigger gun, the Oxycontin. I have no choice, because I don't think a Tylenol would control the pain. I don't want it to get out of hand. But as you know, it is already making me very, very dizzy and lightheaded. And if I walk, I feel like I'm swaying. So that's the side effect of that narcotic. And at nighttime, I don't have any problem because I just sleep it off. But since it's daytime, I had to sit down and just to let this feeling pass. But then, that lightheadedness kind of makes you nauseated. So I had to take the Zofran to stop me from feeling like that. I'm not sure if I can join them to church. We'll see how it goes. But I need to kind of just chill here and have the pain control. I have another pack of ice here, and yeah, so that's my update.